Hello there. I love going out and kicking the leaves at this time of year. And when I was out the other day, I was enjoying myself, but then I looked up into this tree and I thought about the leaves that hadn't yet fallen. And I wondered what it would feel like to be one of those leaves, ready to drop to the ground. Would I be excited? Would I be dizzy? Would I be scared? So I was kind of looking at these leaves in a new way, and it gave me an idea to turn these leaves into something. Actually, I think more accurately, I'm kind of giving emotions to these leaves, giving them little emoji faces. So here's some leaves that I got, and I've dried these out by putting them in between some kitchen towel and underneath a heavy book. And I left them for about a week, so they really dried out and went nice and flat. And I'm going to use a Posca pen to draw on them. I will warn you, however, that if you do this, you will encounter some little bugs. Even though these have been dried out for about a week or so, there were still things living in them. So if you don't mind bugs, this is fine for you. So I'm going to start by drawing on the eyes, and I'm going to make this one look like he's almost asleep. When you draw the eyes like this, it does make people look like they can look sad or asleep, but I do have an emotion in mind for this one. So here are his little eyebrows, and then I'm going to give them a nice sort of satisfied smile. And well, can you tell what kind of emotion that is? Yeah, he's relieved. Get it? Relieved? Okay, moving on to this one, a sycamore leaf, I believe. So anyway, I'm going to use my Posca pen again and give this one a different emotion, keeping the eyes closed, but this time I'm going to put the eyes so they're kind of like closed but looking up, if you see what I mean. And that tends to make characters look like they're happy. Now this one has got some pursed lips, and I'm going to put a heart coming out of that there like that. So hopefully you can recognise that emoji. It's kind of like blowing a kiss, doing a mwah. So there we go. And that looks really good. I love that pink on the brown. Pink and brown go well. I'm going to have to wear more pink and brown clothes. I think that looks fab. Right, let's move on to another one. So I'm going to grab another oak leaf, and I'm going to use my Poscas again, of course. I don't know why I keep saying that, because that's what I've already told you. We're using Posca pens. So I'm drawing on some closed eyes. This one, I'm going to make this one look like it's asleep. So give it kind of like an ooh mouth, like that. Now, when you see emojis, like the standard emoji, they tend to have the blue Zs. So is that like it's snoring, or is it just like it's asleep? I don't know. Anyway, the emotion I was going for there is asleep an emotion? Possibly not. But anyway, that's what this leaf is doing. Now, if you're going to layer up some of the colour, it's a good idea to let the Posca pen dry a little bit. So that's why this leaf has got white dots on it. It obviously didn't come with white dots on it. So I did that about 5 minutes ago, and now I can add on some black Posca to this one, and you can see what I was meaning. The white shows up much better than the black, but it works on this one. So with this little leaf, I'm going to make this one look like he's like a bit dizzy and maybe like a bit daft as well, sticking out his tongue, because I think you would be dizzy, wouldn't you, if you were a leaf falling from a tree, especially when it's windy. So here are 4 emotional leaves, but they're not the only ones I've done. I kind of got a bit carried away. So I've got dizzy ones. I like this one. He looks really, really happy, or she, I'm not quite sure. That's actually another dizzy one. Maybe I've done too many dizzy ones. Angry one that's in love, one that's just really happy. That one, derpy, I suppose. A really cool leaf. That one bumped its head. See how it's kind of folded over? I thought that looked right. That one's a dead one and a very sad one. That one didn't enjoy itself at all. So yeah, this was so much fun, painting on leaves or drawing on leaves. Why don't you have a go? If you do any, why don't you share your leaves with me on Instagram? The link is below. So I do hope you've enjoyed watching this video, and please give me a like, subscribe to my channel, and come back for some more Arty Makes soon. But yeah, there's my emotional leaf gang. Okay, take care now. Goodbye.